You're gonna love the 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take life's challenges in stride in the fully capable Tahoe. Spacious and quiet, athletic and safe, it's a powerful ally awaiting your command. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Powerful workhorse meets comfortable cruiser in the Tahoe. Treat yourself to a road test.